Hello, Matt Blocki with EWA. Today we are talking through 10 tips for 2023 and how to maximize your financial plan. Tip number 8 for maximizing your financial plan in 2023 is to be aware of estate planning limits. So 2023, we still have the opportunity for exemption amounts. The current tax law allows $12.92 million per spouse to pass on to the next generation without paying that 40% tax from an estate planning perspective. Something to be aware of, that's going to get cut in half at the end of 2025 unless tax laws change, and that is expected to get lowered depending on the political agreements that take place with the House and Senate shifts that we've seen. The other thing to take note from an estate planning perspective is that without touching this limit, you can gift $17,000 per year. So if we have a spouse A and spouse B, and we have 3 kids total, each spouse can give 17 to child 1, 17 to child 3, 17 to child 2, 17 to child 3, and then same thing over here, 17, 17, 17. So that's a total of $102,000 a year. So for someone that's high net worth, retired, has a goal to pass money on to the next generation, is worried about being over this exemption, every year that you do this and get the money either outright in your kids' names, or if they're younger, most likely inside of a trust mechanism, an irrevocable trust, doing so on $102,000, that's going to save you $40,800 per year in tax, assuming that those dollars would have otherwise been above the exemption when you pass. So for a high net worth individual, something to consider is lifetime gifting, because these limits per spouse, per kid are under the reporting requirements and do not affect the ending number from an estate planning perspective.